Hey YouTube, it has been forever since I posted a video, and probably a year, if not just a little under, or maybe even a little over, but it's been a while. I did a lot of traveling, and work has been absolutely insane. Since probably last November, we've been on a gigantic project of opening 2 new buildings now. So it has just been 12 to 15 hour days, no sleep, no rest, working 6 days a week half the time. So sorry I've not had time to post anything. But a coworker mentioned it this morning that I hadn't posted anything in a while. You're right. Anyway, I was laying in bed there and getting a little hungry this evening. I was like, yeah, I got some shrimp that I thawed out. I would love to grill those. So that's what we're going to do. But I'm going to do it as primitively as I can for fun. For Christmas, Angel got me it's like a survival kit, right? I had to mail it home because I couldn't even fly it home. It's got knives and all kinds of stuff in it. But I'm willing to bet it's got something in there to start a fire. And I got a pile of kindling here that I've been collecting. So I'm going to use the grill, get a fire going, and grill some shrimp. So stay tuned. Alright, so let's see. This one. Dryer lint. Always keep that around. Makes one of the best fire starter, tinder bundle type of things. This is firewood from, where the hell was I? Missouri. That was from the camping trip when I went through Missouri. Brought that home. Oh man, I guess that was in 2023. That's old wood. I can't believe I held on to that wood for that long. I really thought that was, in my head I keep thinking that was like last year. But I did the camping trip and then went to Alaska on a cruise, but that was actually 2023. Damn. This is some oak that I brought home from a buddy's house. We trimmed a bunch of trees, and then Hurricane Milton happened, so I brought home quite a bit of wood. Small stuff on the bottom. Needles. Pine needles, and I get the dryer lint. Okay. Now, this thing, I hope the camera can see here. This thing's got to have fire starter, right? It's supposed to be like a survival, ultimate, you can live forever kind of kit. So it's got to have fire starter, lantern, pocket knife. Oh, a little axe thing. I have not actually looked through any of this yet. That's a little entrenching tool. Emergency shelter. Rain something. There's got to be a striker or something in here. A fire starter, a fire steel, something. Whistle. Carabiner. Little. Not sure what that is. No idea what that is. Little saw. Oh, there's a little saw. Oh, it's fishing stuff. Little hooks and some line and stuff. Okay, there's a bunch of these, and I have no idea what these are for. Really? No? Oh, 550 cord. Glow stick. Survival, like, bracelets. Hey! A spork with a knife? Flashlight. Oh, wait. That looks like a ferro rod. Where's what they intend you to strike it on? Usually there's a ferro rod and then something to strike it on. Two glow sticks. Oh wait. Yeah, there it is. So it's like a thing in the bracelet. Okay. See if we can make this happen. I've done it plenty of times with my other fire starter, but I'm not sure where it's at. But I wanted to try this guy. This thing. A whole bunch of lizards in my box in this bin of wood. Alright, that worked. Took a little bit, definitely not as sparky as my other ferro rod that I have, but it is what it is. It'll work. Well, the fire is just about all coals now, so we're getting ready to get these shrimp on. Here's the shrimp, by the way. Oh. The kitchen is a little messy. That's the week's worth of coffee cups and some dishes. The percolator, because I've been using the percolator every morning to make coffee, because Madame Coffee Maker decided to stop working. I've been in Orlando for 6 or 7 weeks now. Came home last weekend, cleaned the coffee maker with vinegar. Ran a cycle like 5 or 6 times. It worked fine. Woke up the next morning, first cup of coffee in my house again, after 7 weeks, won't turn on. So, percolator it is, because I am resourceful. Alright, so I got some skewers. I'm going to skewer these shrimp up, and we'll get them on the grill. Okay, got them all skewered up now. Only needed 3 skewers. And gonna get these out on the grill. See how good these are gonna taste. Oh, by the way, this is a mix, just a little bit of olive oil and Dano's seasoning mixed with Dano's Cajun. So I can't wait to try these. Okay, here we are. See, nothing but coals now. Very hot, man. The heat is so intense, even 2 or 3 feet away. Let me try to put the shrimps down for a second. Ooh, so hot. Bad thing about that whole survival kit is I gotta put it all back away now. I've not used this grill in quite a while, so let me just give it a quick. Shrimps. Listen to them sizzle. Alright. They're probably going to be ready to flip by the time I take this inside. Oh, they smell so good. Just got a plate. So good. Well, the video cut out there. My phone got an Amber Alert in Marion County. I don't actually know where that is. But, oh, okay. Okay, focus. Whew. Hot. Hot, hot. I think they are Dunsky. Alright. Check those out. Let's go inside and get some light. Oh. Doing all this one-handed is fun. Hi, Carmen. Oh yeah, there we go. Beautiful. Let me figure out if I can get this salad made or not. Okay, well there's the completed meal. Bag of salad. It's a steakhouse something or other from Fresh Express, probably. And then my shrimp skewers. Probably just gonna take them off the skewer and throw them in the salad, and that's my dinner. So, thanks for joining me for this quick little impromptu grilling, primitively meal. So,
catch you on the next one.